There comes a time in life when our bodies start sending us little signals, some gentle, some not so gentle, to let us know when something isn't quite right. And the tricky part, sometimes those signals can be easy to brush off. We tell ourselves, oh, it's just age, or it'll pass by tomorrow. But here's the thing, some signs are too urgent to ignore. They are your body's way of saying, you need help and you need it now. That's why today we are talking about the 5 urgent signs that mean you must go to the hospital right away. No waiting, no second guessing. Because when it comes to your health, especially after 60, acting can fast make all the difference. Now, I want you to think about this. Have you ever felt a sudden, crushing pain in your chest and thought, maybe it's just heartburn? Or maybe you have noticed your vision going blurry out of nowhere and chalked it up to tired eyes? These are the moments when listening to your body could save your life. So let's walk through the first few signs together so you know exactly when to pick up the phone and call for help. First up, chest pain. And I'm not talking about that slight twinge you feel after a big meal. I mean a heavy, pressing pain, like an elephant sitting on your chest. It might spread to your arm, your jaw, or your back. This could be a heart attack, and every minute counts. You see, as we get older, our hearts don't always send the same dramatic signals they once did. Sometimes it's just a feeling of extreme fatigue or shortness of breath, especially in women. But if something feels off, if your body is telling you this isn't normal, don't wait. Call an ambulance. Better to be safe than sorry. Now, the second sign is sudden confusion or trouble speaking. Imagine this. You are having a conversation with a friend and suddenly the words just won't come out right. Or maybe you can't understand what they are saying to you. This could be a stroke. Strokes don't always come with a dramatic collapse. Sometimes it's just a sudden slur in your speech, a weakness on one side of your body, or even a strange, unexplained dizziness. The golden rule with strokes: time is brain. The faster you get help, the better your chances of recovery. So, if you are someone which starts acting confused or out of nowhere, don't wait. Get to the hospital immediately. And the third sign, severe shortness of breath. Now, we all get a little winded climbing stairs or walking uphill. But if you're struggling to breathe while sitting still, or if your lips or fingers start turning blue, that's a major red flag. It could be a blood clot in your lungs, pneumonia, or even heart failure. Your body needs oxygen to survive, and if it's not getting enough, every second matters. Now, before we move on, I want you to take a deep breath because I know this can feel overwhelming. But here's the good news. Just by knowing these signs, you are already ahead of the game. And remember, you are not alone in this. We'll go through the rest of these urgent signs together so you can feel confident knowing exactly when it's time to act because your health and your life are worth it. So let's keep going because the next signs are just as important. Sometimes the most serious health warnings don't come with loud alarms, they whisper. And if we are not paying close attention, we might miss them entirely. That's why I want to talk to you about the next 2 urgent signs that mean you should get to the hospital right away. These aren't the kind of symptoms you sleep off or wait to see your doctor about next week. These are the ones that say, help needed now. Let's start with the fourth sign, sudden, severe pain in your abdomen. Now, we have all had stomach aches before, maybe from something we ate or a little indigestion. But this is different. I am talking about pain so intense it makes you sweat or bend over or feel like you can't even move. It might be sharp and stabbing, or it could feel like a deep, unrelenting pressure. This could be anything from a ruptured appendix to a gallbladder attack, or even a life threatening condition like a bowel obstruction or internal bleeding. And here's something important. Sometimes, especially as we get older, the pain might not be as dramatic as we'd expect. Our bodies don't always react the way they used to. So, if your gut is telling you this isn't normal, listen to it. Don't tough it out. Get to the emergency room. Now, the fifth sign is one that people often dismiss because it doesn't always hurt, but it's just as dangerous. Sudden weakness or numbness on one side of your body. Maybe you try to stand up and your leg just won't cooperate, or you go to pick up your coffee cup and your hands feel strangely limp. This could be a stroke or a transient ischemic attack, sometimes called a mini stroke. Even if the symptoms go away after a few minutes, that doesn't mean the danger has passed. A TIA is often a warning sign that a major stroke is coming, and getting help immediately can prevent it. So, if your face starts dropping, your speech slurs, or one side of your body suddenly feels weak, don't wait to see if it gets better. Call 911 right away. Now, I know this can feel like a lot to take in, and you might be thinking, but what if it's nothing? What if I'm overreacting? Here's I want you to know and remember. Doctors and nurses would much rather see you and send you home with reassurance than have you wait too long and risk something serious happening. You are not a burden. You are not being dramatic. You are being smart. Because when it comes to these symptoms, hesitation can cost you dearly. So let's take a quick pause here. We have covered 5 urgent signs now: chest pain, sudden confusion, severe shortness of breath, intense abdominal pain, and one sided weakness. But there's more to talk about, because sometimes the body sends signals in ways we might not expect. And in the next part, we'll go over those so you'll have the full picture and know exactly when to take action. Because here's the truth: the best gift you can give yourself and the people who love you is the gift of time. Time to get help, time to heal, time to enjoy more years of life. So let's keep going, because your health is worth every second of attention. Our bodies have a way of speaking to us, sometimes in whispers, sometimes in shouts. And as we get older, learning to listen to those signals becomes even more important. We have already talked about some of the big, urgent signs that mean you need to get to the hospital right away. But there are a few more that might surprise you. Ones that don't always make the headlines, but are just as critical to recognize. Let's talk about sudden, severe headache, the kind that hits you like a thunderclap, unlike anything you have ever felt before. Maybe you have had migraines in the past, but this is different. It's intense, it's immediate, and it might come with nausea, vomiting, or even passing out. This could be a sign of a brain or bleeding in the brain. Now, I know headaches are common, and most of the time they are nothing serious. But if your head pain is the worst you have ever experienced, don't brush it off. Get help immediately. Another sign that's easy to overlook: falling, especially if you don't know why. Maybe you were just walking across the room and suddenly found yourself on the floor. Or perhaps you blacked out for a few seconds. This could be a sign of a heart problem, a stroke, or even internal bleeding. And here's the thing: as we age, falls can be especially dangerous, leading to broken bones or head injuries. So, if you take a tumble and can't explain why, or if you feel dizzy or lightheaded afterward, don't just dust yourself off and carry on. Get checked out. Now, I want to take a moment to talk about something that doesn't always get the attention it deserves. Feeling off in a way you can't quite put into words. Maybe you are just not yourself. You are unusually tired, weak, or just not thinking clearly. You might tell yourself, I'm just having a bad day. But deep down, you know something's wrong. Trust that feeling. Our intuition is powerful, especially when it comes to our health. If your body is telling you something isn't right, even if you can't pinpoint exactly what, it's worth getting it checked out. So let's recap what we have covered: chest pain, sudden confusion, severe shortness of breath, intense abdominal pain, one sided weakness, a thunderclap headache, unexplained falls, and that gut feeling that something's wrong. These are all signs that your body needs help. Now, I know talking about these things can feel a little scary, but here's the good news. Just by watching this video, you're already taking a huge step toward protecting yourself. Knowledge is power, and now you're equipped with the information you need to act fast if something doesn't feel right. So, here's my final piece of advice: don't wait, don't second guess yourself. If you or someone you love experiences any of these warning signs, pick up the phone and call for help. Your health is priceless, and you deserve to feel safe, strong, and supported. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Have you ever experienced one of these warning signs? What did you do? Share your story in the comments below. It might just help someone else recognize when it's time to take action. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on living your healthiest, happiest life after 60. Remember, getting older is a gift, but it's also a responsibility to ourselves and to the people who care about us. So let's take care of each other. Let's stay vigilant and let's keep enjoying every precious moment. Here's to your health today and for many years to come. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.